Hello. In this video, we'll be looking at how to access the reports in Tempora and run a basic report. We'll select the Reports tab, and we're going to select Client Reports. The report we're going to run is total time by client by month. With the report loaded, we have our function settings. If you have multiple companies, you can choose the company to report on. You can select a client to report on. With a client selected, you can choose a project to report on. With a project selected, you can choose an activity to report on. For the time being, we're going to set all of these functions as all. We have the detail level, and that's the detail level that will be displayed on the report. We have filters, which we can use to refine the report data. We can choose the period we would like to run the report from and to, and we can choose company year, client year, or last 12 months to indicate the period we would like to use, as well as a refining method. We're going to use last 12 months. We can choose to report on posted time, or all time in the system for the date ranges we've selected. And then we have the jobs functionality. The jobs functionality will not be covered in this video. We're going to run this report with default values to begin with, so we'll click Run. And here we can see all time in the system for demo company, broken down by client, by month, and then totaled. As we can see, we have a large amount of time for Abacus in the system and AA widgets. We'll click Cancel to return to our report selection. And we're going to investigate the time recorded for Abacus. We'll select Abacus, and we'll change the detail level to project. You can also change the detail level for project when running against all clients. In our case, we're only going to look at Abacus. We'll click Run again. We can see the client Abacus and each project listed on the left-hand side. We then have the associated hours with each period and the total. We can also choose to refine this down to the activity level, or indeed an even lower level. We'll run this at activity for now. Now we see the client, the project, and the activity, and the amount of time recorded by period. Looking at the Fitzgerald project, we can see all of the activities and the amount of hours spent on each one, totaled, and the total for the period. If we wish to, we can also use filters to refine our information. Filters are set up in the admin menu of Tempora and assigned to clients, projects, or activities. Once a filter is selected, it will only return information on those items. As an example, we'll change client to all, and we'll change detail level to client. We'll select capitalized, and we'll click Run. And you can see, even though we've selected all clients, we only have data returned for Abacus. If we change the detail level to project and click Run, you can see that although we have all projects selected previously, we're only returning projects data for Billing Project, McGregor, and Project 200, as these items have the filter assigned to it. You can clear a filter by holding Control and clicking. If you wish to examine a period, you can do so by selecting it from the From period. We'll choose to run the report for June 2019 to the current period and click Run again. You can now see, without our filter selected, we're returning data for all clients and projects in the system. If you have any questions regarding running reports in Tempora, please contact our support team with the support button in the top right.